Collection predicates are powerful functions in Kotlin that help you test elements in a collection. Today, you'll learn about 3 essential predicate functions: any, all, and none. These functions make it easy to check whether elements in your collection meet specific conditions. A predicate is a function that takes an element as input and returns a Boolean value, either true or false. Predicates are used to test whether elements in a collection satisfy specific conditions. Think of them as yes or no questions you ask about each element in your collection. Kotlin provides 3 main predicate functions for testing collections. The any function checks if at least one element matches your condition. The all function checks if every single element matches your condition. And the none function checks if no elements match your condition. Each serves a different purpose depending on what you need to verify. The any function returns true if at least one element in the collection matches the given predicate. In this example, we have a list of numbers from 1 to 5. We call any with a lambda that checks if a number is even by testing if it modulo 2 equals 0. Since the list contains even numbers like 2 and 4, has even will be true. The all function returns true only if every element in the collection matches the predicate. Here, we have a list containing only even numbers, 2, 4, 6, and 8. We call all with the same predicate that checks if a number is even. Since every number in this list is even, all even will be true. The none function returns true if no elements in the collection match the predicate. In this example, we have a list of odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, and 7. We call none with a predicate that checks for even numbers. Since there are no even numbers in this list, no even will be true. Let's look at a practical example with a user data class. Each user has a name, age, and is active property. We create a list of 3 users: Alice, who is 25 and active, Bob, who is 17 and active, and Charlie, who is 30 but not active. This setup will help us demonstrate how predicates work with real-world objects. Now let's use all 3 predicate functions on our users list. First, we check if any user is a minor by testing if their age is less than 18. This returns true because Bob is 17. Next, we check if all users are active. This returns false because Charlie is not active. Finally, we check if no users are named David. This returns true because none of our users have that name. These examples show how predicates help you query collections efficiently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.